Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder for Yibu Beauty. I want to show you how we create our brand new collections, Enchanted Bloom, step by step. And let's get started today's video. A lot of people are very interested how we create skincare. There are 8 different steps that you need to do to create your skincare product. Number 1, what product you want to create. Number 2, R&D development. Number 3, the story, the theme of the product that you're creating. Number 4, the artwork and the name of the product. Number 5, commercial photo shoot. Number 6, creating a photo campaign and video campaign for your new launch. Number 7, listing product on your website. Number 8, campaign planning. Okay, number 1, what product, what collection you want to create. This is very, very important. There's actually a lot of detail to go into every step. Because it's a YouTube video, I won't be going to 100% detail. Review what we've been doing here. So before you're actually creating the product, you need to figure out when you want to launch the product. For example, if you want to launch something in summertime, the product that you create should be something lightweight. And if you want to launch something in the fall seasons, then you want a product has more hydration, more moisturizing, because skincare product is based on the season. We started the process last year around July, and I knew it would take us at least 1 year to get the product development complete. So that means the product gonna launch sometime in between September and mid-October. And right now it's September. I'm very excited to share with you. Everything is in process right now and productions, and hopefully that we can get our launch in early October. Once you know the time that you want to release the products and you want to think about what product you want to create. Yibu Beauty is a little bit over 1 year old now. During the last year, we have learned so much, and we're getting a lot of feedback from all of you guys. There's one particular thing that really made me think about the next product that we want to create. That is to show the product on social media. We are online business, so it's very important to us for customers to see a difference. However, skincare is not like makeup. You won't be able to see instant results. And mostly what you're going to see is more glowing looking, brighter looking, but that's still not enough. I told myself my next collections, it has to be visibly you can see something. I don't know what I want to create yet, but as the time go by, I starting to realize that, oh, I need color, but not makeup. It's a skincare. So this is very unique. And I want to create something more a total experience. Skincare is not just a product you put on the face and see result after using 30 days. It's also an experience. Experience has a lot to do with the texture, the scent. Enchanted Bloom, this collection is based on these 2 ingredients, rose and sweet orange essential oil. These are the 2 ingredients that we infuse for the entire collections, because I want our client not only to see result using our product, I also want to take you to see a sensory experience. Now I know what I want, then I went to see my R&D. Luckily, Gabby, she's in my R&D development. She's amazing. And as I mentioned to you guys before, our manufacturing is based on Valencia, California. It's closer to my home, so I like to go there, visit her on a regular basis, and work together on the product developments. This product development take us, hold on, let me look at my notes. You will not believe. 8 sample doesn't happen overnight. So let me show you guys the first one we made. Back in September 27th, I told my R&D, say I want something can show color, I want something has scents in there. So that's the first thing that they create, is foliating mask. So you can see this is kind of like, let me show you guys here real quick. This is the first one we created in September last year. So you can see this really pretty opal colors. See that? So this is actually a mask, leave-on mask, and you can rinse it off of water. Created this first product on September 27, 2021, and I tried it about 2 weeks, and I went back to her say, you know, I don't like it because I still feel like this opal white color is not gonna pop on social media. I need something more vibrant. So on October 4, 2021, she come out this colors. Can you guys see this? Kind of orange peach color. So during that time, we were talking about Yibu Beauty color. Our color is more like a peach cloud pink color. It's kind of cotton candy. So she created this color. I tried it. I still think this color is not there. Let me just show you on my hand so you can. So it looks like that, right? You can see that. Then I went back to her in just 2 weeks, October 19. I said I need something a little deeper and with more rose essential oil. At first, we were only using rose, no sweet orange. So you can see the 3 colors. That's the 1, 2, 3. I tried this mask for about 3 months until the January 12, 2022. I went back to her to say that, you know, I want a little bit more than just this. So she created this one on the January 12th. And then in the same time, she created a mist. So, oops. So this is the shimmery mist. I can show you in a little video. Because I thought, oh my god, it would be really great that, you know, we create a mist for the face. But it's more skincare. It's not a setting spray. It's more hydrating mist with a little mica in there, giving more brighter looking skin. So she created that. And this was in January 12th. And then from there, I told her that, you know what, I think I want to kill the mist idea because I'm having a hard time to find the spray pump. So I said, well, what if I want to do a serum? Because I gotta have a serum. So on the January 27th, she created a first purple serum right here and still trying out the mask. So why am I taking so long to get the right product? Couple things I have to look into it. Do I like the scent? After I use the mask, how does my skin feel? Do I feel dry? What's missing? I can tell you in the beginning, I rinsed off my face, my skin feel very, very tight. So I told her that no, we're missing something. I need more hyaluronic acid in there. And then this is the best part. She will tell me that, well, Steve, your budget is this much. I cannot put this ingredients. What else you need to take it out so I can put hyaluronic acid in there? Or can you increase your budget to create skincare? So budgeting is it's a really big part of a skincare too. We were kind of negotiating, looking at an ingredient list, combination of different ingredient to mix them together. It's almost like making a cake, you know. It depends the ratio, the scent. It create different texture, the smell, the taste. So same thing for skincare too. So this is our first purplish serum. And then that was in January 27. So I was using this for almost 2 months because I thought I really like it. But I still feel like the scent is not there. It's not quite there yet. So I actually went back to the manufacturer to meet with our R&D. I spent literally 7 hours smell different rows, different combinations. That is a process. And then on the April 5th, so on April 5th, she gave me another set of a product here. Let me show you guys. So on the April 5th, so she gave me a little bit different colors. I already finished this one already, but it's slightly watery a little bit. And we're also adding a face moisturizer too. We're also adding a moisturizer too. So by April, with a 3 product in productions, we have the where is it? We have the mask, the serum, and the moisturizer. You can see this color is it's not there yet, right? So I tried this product for about a month. At April 26th, she come out with, let me see, she come out with this 3 product now. So you can see the color of the moisturizer is very noticeably different now. See, this is more like a very pale, but this is a little bit more violet, a little bit more color, a little bit more pinkish colors. And then the serum is more deeper purple, and the mask is right here. So from the April, I tried this product. She gave me 3 bottles. I tried it until the August. Until the August 11th recently, I finally got my final product. So this is the final product we have now. The serum, the mask, and the moisturizer. This is step number 1 to literally 12 months to process. But I'm very happy that we finally got our perfect formula, perfect balance, perfect scent. So I'm very, very happy. Now let's talk about the step number 2. During this time, we didn't stop. We're also working on our story, our theme. What does this product mean to me? What are we gonna call this? First collection was the Mooncast, right? Mooncast, it's all about our skin change throughout the season. Sometimes smoother, sometimes more rough. So everything in the Mooncast collection is multitasking because we want to do more than just one thing. So it's Mooncast. So once we create a product, during the process, we were thinking about the name. What do we want to do? There's a rose, there's a sweet orange, there's beautiful colors. So after working very hard, my good friend actually come out this name. He finally said, why don't we call it Enchanted Petal? Enchanted Petal, because the rose in there. And me and my team was thinking about a name, and we really like Enchanted. But we didn't really like the word petal because that's too floral to us. So we changed to Enchanted Bloom, and that's how we create the name, Enchanted Bloom. After we have the name, after we have the colors, we can go into the label and the artwork productions. That also takes a couple months because every time we create something, you have to wait from your designer to send your artwork and you have to approve. Back and forth, back and forth. And please know that all the vendors that you work for, you are not their only clients. So sometimes we have to wait until next availability to see the next sample. So this also takes like 7 months just to get the box ready. So this is the final box that we create. Let me show you guys. It's just an ombre violet color. So I really, really like it. What we actually have to do is the art designer have to create our watercolor. Then we send the art watercolor to our printing facility. One thing I want to share with you, a lot of time when you're in this process, they will just print, but they are not using their actual printing machine for your productions. So we told them, I want to sample you using the printer to produce the productions. So this is the sample 1. So that means when I receive the box, it will look exactly like this. This also takes a couple months. Did I mention you have to prepay all this, the material, all have to pay that in advance. So creating skincare is not only time consuming, very stressed, you invest a lot of money in advance, like 1 year in advance. So now we have the label design, the box design, the product, it's pretty much final. Then we go into campaign photo shoot. As you know that my background and my resources, it's very important to us that every time we launch something, we create a campaign. That's so you can see a story of this collection. Creating the campaign photo shoot, we need to cast a model. We need to find studio. Once we have a studio and model, we need to figure out the look, the theme of the campaign. Obviously, the name is Enchanted Bloom. So we want to create more like a secret garden, but not so much a fairy. So we have to create a set, hair, makeup, wardrobe, the wigs, because I decided one of our model to wear wigs. So all this is happening while we are doing production. So we're just very happy that we were able to finish that whole campaign. So I want to thank you, my model, McKenna and Emma. Thank you so much for being such a trooper and such a dedicated model for our brand. This is our second time use them. They were in our summer shoot campaign already. I'm going to show you the photo shoot here. They are absolutely beautiful. A lot of joys. And what I love about them is that when you look at them, you can see the story from their eyes. It's absolutely beautiful. We were working on the photo shoot that was like an 8-hour day, and I'm very proud to tell you that I'm the one who styled the hair, the makeup, and the outfit. I did it all by myself. I didn't hire a stylist this time or makeup artist this time because we have to save some money. It's very expensive. Luckily that I was a makeup artist for many years, so I was able to do the makeup for the models too. After the campaign photo shoot is over, the next step is editing. We need to go through the 1,000 images we have in the video, delete the one that we don't like, and color correct the image. Then from there, we're gonna pick the image that we like to create a campaign photo. So our team is currently working on that right now. So when you look at this video right now, the product is actually in process for to do a final developing. We actually just received the label yesterday, so I can show you guys. I'm so excited. Look, we have the label now. Look at that. And this is the sample box we have here that we received about 4 weeks ago. This is not the final box. We decided to change a couple things on here. See the box? This part will be kind of shiny, just like the Yibu right here. So they are working on that right now too. It's a lot of work, right? So while they're doing that, me and my partner, we're working on our social media campaign. So we're still waiting for a couple images to arrive. You should be expecting to see our first drop of a social media campaign this coming week. So I'm very excited. I can't wait to share with you guys our final product, the bottle, the box, the artwork, the campaign, the video. I think you're absolutely gonna love our Enchanted Bloom. My next videos, I'm gonna talk about what is Enchanted Bloom, who it's for, what are the key ingredients, and how to use. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today, and we cannot wait to share with you our launch of Enchanted Bloom.